Here is the uncomfortable truth about scaling an online store in 2026. You don't have a traffic problem. You have a you problem. You are the bottleneck writing the listings, answering "Where's my order" at midnight, building the email flows you never finish, staring at ad dashboards, trying to guess what's working. So you do the only thing you know. You spend more on ads, and your margin quietly disappears. By the end of this video, you'll have the full AI stack to scale an e-commerce business. The exact tools for every stage, the real prompts, and one automation you can copy that runs your store's backend 24/7 while you sleep. Not AI saves time. The actual machine, let's build it. Every online store is the same 9 jobs: research, sourcing, listings, imagery, ads, email, support, analytics, and the glue that connects them. When you are small, you do all 9. That's fine at 10 orders a day. At 100, it breaks. You can't out-hustle 100 support tickets and 100 products. The mistake almost everyone makes here is to scale the spend. More ads on top of a store that has no retention and no support system is just pouring water into a leaking bucket. The 2026 move is different. Put an AI operating layer across all 9 stages, so the store runs without you in the middle of it. 9 stages: research, sourcing, listings, imagery, ads, email and SMS, support, analytics, and orchestration, the layer that makes the other 8 talk to each other. We'll take them one at a time. The best real tool for each, exactly how to use it, how to automate it, and the honest numbers. Then I'll connect 3 of them into one system and show it actually running. Stage 1. What to sell. Tools like Sell the Trend and Trend Track scan AliExpress, Amazon, social and competitor stores, and hand you a trend score. Order velocity, social engagement, search interest in one number. It compresses a week of research into an afternoon. But here is the part nobody tells you. These tools are overrated as winner pickers. They show every dropshipper on earth the same trending product. The moment you can see it, so can 10,000 other people. And you are all running the same item by Friday. That's not an edge, that's saturation. So use research tools for validation. Is there real demand? Is it climbing? Who's already scaling it? Then win on the part AI can't hand you. The angle and the creative. The product is rarely the moat. The story around it is. Once you've picked AutoDS, automates the operational grind. One-click import, automatic price and stock monitoring, and hands-off order fulfillment across Shopify, eBay, and WooCommerce, sourcing from AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Starter runs about $20 to $30 a month for price and stock sync. The advanced plan, around $50 to $67, adds full auto-fulfillment. There's a $1 trial. The automation here is real and it saves hours. But watch your margins. Auto-fulfillment is only as safe as your supplier's price. Set it, then monitor it. Automation amplifies whatever you point it at. Stage 3. Listings. This is where most people misuse AI. They type, "Write me a product description," get generic mush, and wonder why it doesn't convert. The tool isn't the problem. The prompt is. Here is a real one I'd actually run in Claude. Watch the screen. You give it the product and specs, the avatar, who buys it and what pain they're in, the angle, your brand voice. Then you demand structure. A 60-character SEO title, 3 benefit bullets that sell outcomes, not features, a 120-word description that handles one real objection, a 5-question FAQ that preempts your top refund reasons, and a meta description, and one hard rule. No filler, no premium quality. Every line earns its place. Same model, completely different output because you gave it the avatar and the angle instead of a blank request. Stage 4. Imagery. Flair, AI, and Pebblely turn a plain product photo into clean studio and lifestyle shots. No photographer, no studio booking. Drop the product in. Generate a full catalog of on-brand images in an afternoon. For motion, tools like Higgsfield, Runway, or Google Veyo spin a still into a short ad. The one caution: A human still has to keep it on brand and make sure it doesn't read as AI fake. The eye stays human. The volume becomes AI. Stage 5. Ads. In 2026, the targeting is increasingly Meta's job, not yours. Meta Advantage Plus automates audience placement, budget, and creative testing. You feed it creatives and the budget, it finds the buyers. AdCreative.ai generates and scores ad variance at volume. And Triple Whale's Moby Media Buyer can run Meta and Google campaigns with every decision backed by your first-party data. But hear this clearly. AI optimizes within your offer. It cannot fix a weak offer or a broken store. If the funnel behind the ad doesn't convert, smarter targeting just helps you lose money faster. Now, the stage that actually decides whether you scale. Email and SMS. This is the one most dropshippers completely skip, and it's the single highest leverage AI move in this entire video. Klaviyo's AI, KAI, will build a full multi-channel flow from a plain language description, triggers, conditional splits, wait steps, copy, all of it. You can build a segment by typing customers who bought skincare but not moisturizer. It picks the best send time per person and predictively removes the people most likely to unsubscribe before you even hit send. Here is the number that should change how you operate. Klaviyo's own data shows automated flows generate about 30 times more revenue per recipient than manual campaign blasts. 3 flows, abandoned cart post-purchase, and win-back routinely add 20 to 35% of a store's total revenue, and most stores capture 0% of that because they never build them. On an $80,000 a month store, that's $16,000 to $28,000 a month sitting on the floor. Front-end ads get all the attention. The back-end is where the margin actually lives. Stage 7. Support. Gorgias is the e-commerce native help desk, and its AI agent resolves common tickets, end-to-end. Order status, returns, sizing, using your macros, your help center, and live order data. It bills roughly 90 cents per resolution and resolves somewhere between 26 and 56% of tickets. And that range is the whole lesson. The reason most stores land at the bottom, 26%, is they switch the AI on with an empty knowledge base. AI is only as good as what you feed it. Write 15 to 20 solid macros and the real help center doc first, and you push toward 50. 2 hard rules from experience. Never let AI auto-issue refunds or policy exceptions. That needs a human threshold. And ground every answer in real order data. A hallucinated tracking number destroys trust faster than a slow reply ever could. Stage 8. Decisions. Triple Whale's Moby 2 calls itself an AI operating system for e-commerce. Orchestrated across GPT, Claude, and Gemini, it knows your numbers, forecasts next month's orders per product, flags anomalies, and can even draft the Klaviyo campaign for you. It starts around $2.19 a month and is priced for brands past roughly $500,000 in sales. Smaller, start with Shopify's own analytics plus a Claude prompt that asks the one question that matters. Where am I actually making profit, and what should I kill? Now, the part that separates talkers from operators. Let me connect 3 of these and show the machine run. This is N8N, the orchestration layer. The glue, watch the canvas. A customer message hits Gorgias. Where's my order? It's been 9 days. I want to cancel. The webhook fires. N8N pulls the real order and tracking from Shopify. The Claude node reads the message, plus the live order data, and drafts a grounded, empathetic reply with the actual tracking link and returns an intent and a confidence score. Then the guardrail. If confidence is high and no refund was requested, Gorgias sends it and tags the ticket resolved. If not, it routes to a human with the draft already written. And because the intent was cancel, it also fires a Klaviyo save flow. An apology in the small offer, message in, grounded reply out, ticket resolved, save offer queued, in seconds untouched. That's scaling, not you working faster, the system working without you. And with N8N's MCP layer, Claude can even build this workflow for you, node by node. So if you do nothing else, do these 3 in this order. 1. Build the back end first. Abandoned cart post-purchase. win back in Klaviyo before you spend another $1 on ads. That's your trapped margin. 2. Feed the support AI before you turn it on, macros and the help doc, so it resolves at 50%, not 26%. 3. Connect it with 1N, 8N workflow. 1, not 50. The math. Support automation saves a small store north of $1,000 a month and 20 hours a week. Retention flows recover revenue that was already leaving, and your research time drops from 10 hours to 1. Not to find better winners, but to test more angles. Real ranges, not promises. Here is the honest part. The tools are easy. The system is the hard part. The flows, the macros, the N8N wiring, the guardrails, the tuning. That's the work, and it's exactly what I build for businesses. AI scaling systems that run the back end so the founder can stop being the bottleneck. If you want this built for your store, that's what I do. Details below. Because remember where we started. You don't have a traffic problem. You have a you problem. Build the layer, and the store finally runs without you in the middle of it.